Now is the perfect time for a little spring cleaning to ensure that your business runs smoothly and your brand is in tip-top shape. Follow along as we do a Rosy Reset with ideas to revisit, refresh, and renew your salon or spa operations. First, revisit your basic business settings. Basic may seem boring, but it's where your brand starts. Set aside some time to review your basic business settings with everything from hours of operations to required client information. You'll want to make sure your business name is displayed the way that you wish to brand your business. If you have a logo, ensure that it's appropriately sized for each use and is well displayed to represent your brand. If you don't have a logo, this may be the best time to design one. You can hire a graphic designer to help with logo creation and even your overall branding. That way, everything looks consistent and helps your salon or spa look more professional. Take a look to ensure that your business address is spelled out correctly, including suite number and city, and that you're using proper capitalization and punctuation. This information typically shows up on your receipt with enhanced text messages and online client scheduling, among other places, so you want it to be correct. Revisit your hours of operation to see if you want to make any changes. Regardless, revisit everywhere your hours are listed, not just your software, but your website, social media, and even your Google listing. The next logical step is to update your pricing for services. Whether you make any changes or not, make sure prices are listed consistently everywhere they may appear. While looking at your pricing, update your services to confirm that all service names and descriptions are correct and consistent. Plus, add any new services or service packages and consider deactivating anything outdated so that your service menu is current. Now, dive into your databases, starting with inventory. Be sure you have your current data, including product names, sizes, and updated pricing for each one of your products. If you're a Rosy user, you never have to worry about SKUs, sizes, or new products. Just download the brands you carry and everything is updated for you. Okay, last but certainly not least, make sure your client list is up to date. Correct any misspellings, update any name changes, then double check email addresses, cell phone numbers, and home addresses so you can communicate effectively with everyone. Next, do a refresh by improving your salon or spa's visibility and finding efficiency and revenue generating ways to bring more bucks into your business. From a visibility standpoint, be sure your clients know where they can go to book their next appointment. If you haven't already, activate online client scheduling and add a Book Now button everywhere you can for easy access. Also, revisit your automated text and email confirmations so that bookings and confirmations can happen 100% behind the scenes for you. With any digital touch point with your clients, you'll want to do a general refresh. Be sure to revisit your automated email and your text message marketing settings and templates, giving them a once-over while selecting go-to artwork at least once a year. If your business does not already have a rewards and referral program, this is an excellent time to start one. Reward your loyal clients and give them a way to help keep your chairs filled by referring others. Revitalize your retail by tapping suggestive selling, built right into your POS software and product reservations with online client scheduling. You can also add curbside product pickup to your list of services and sell online with your own online store. Just be sure your team knows to recommend the right products for each client so they can help keep their look at home. Protect your business and recover lost revenue from cancellations and no-shows by taking deposits for all of your services. Your clients will have more respect for your time and will be more likely to show up for their appointments if your cancellation policy includes deposits. Gift cards are another great way to help increase revenue. Be sure to encourage clients to use them for gift giving for birthdays or for any occasion. Last, look into new ways to renew your business. Whether it's education opportunities, a team building exercise, or protecting your business by letting go of toxic employees, look inward and assess what your business needs the most. Then make a plan to deliver. After all, a happy team is a productive team. For more information about your business setting or refreshing your features, please visit getrosy.com or reach out to your account manager for help. Not a current Rosy user? Sign up for your free 30-day trial by scanning the QR code.